So
You see, it is D1 model, battery model 了，可以没有？
可以的，当亮，一边当
And
亮。
press these two button up and enter, press together. And you see this interval to enter the password 103. Press up to 3 and press left. Press up to 1 and then enter. This is the password. Password is 103. And now you see the another interface. 按这个是吧？ You can see, you can set different parameter. And this is, 这是工作模式啊， this is working model. Press up to set the working model you want. And then if you finish setting, 按这个啊，如果完成设置之后是按这个。
不用动，不用动，设置完了。
And after finish setting, you're waiting 15 seconds. You see? And again.
还可以查询。
你按哪一个？按这个进去就。
按这两个。对，那个语音模式。
This is 01 model. 退出呢？
退出。你也可以自等。OK 了。
And once again, when you see this interface, so you must enter the password 103. 1 and enter, and you say U0, U1 is working model, and you can choose the working model you want. And then when you finish, you just waiting 15 seconds. Now you see, the working mode already changed to 02.